10th race field picking up speed. Here they come. They're off and pacing. Were We Limelight left out quickest down the center. All-American Swift from the rail. Native Doll shows speed tonight. Ditto for Sweet Hedge. 3 across the racetrack as Were We Limelight down to the pylons, about to give way as Native Doll and Sweet Hedge both vie for the top spot as they roll to the first turn, and roll they do. Sweet Hedge on the outside coming after Native Doll, and it's Sweet Hedge who'll be parked past that first post in a quick 26-2, but she'll take the lead now. Back to second Native Doll, sitting third inside is Were We Limelight. Then back and forth is All-American Swift. The inside fifth belongs to My Ideal. Vila Fair 6th, 7th across the backstretch. Holiday Shopper, Showgirl trails. Straight alignment as they roll up towards the midway point. And the favorite Sweet Hedge calls the shots for Waples. Pocket sitting Native Doll from in second. In at the rail third, Were We Limelight. First up from fourth drives All-American Swift. My Ideal about to catch the cover. Fifth outside into a 55-4 opening half pace. Then back in sixth, Vila Fair locked up and shuffled. Seventh on the move comes Holiday Shopper. Tipped out from last to Showgirl. 4 in, 4 out. That's how the mares race into the far turn. And with that lead by a length is Sweet Hedge. Pressure outside from All-American Swift. Bottled up is Native Doll from in third. Covered up in fourth is My Ideal. The inside fifth belongs to Were We Limelight. Then it's Holiday Shopper. Vila Fair. Showgirl last. 3/4, 124 2/5, 28-3 in the third panel. Top of the stretch lead, and it's Sweet Hedge still there. 2 lengths clear now as Waples calls on her for more. She's got more. Sweet Hedge opens up by 3 lengths now. Rushing up fastest of them all from the backfield, Holiday Shopper, and she's in with a big shot. Holiday Shopper powers up from way back now and closes hard. Showgirl as well from way back. Holiday Shopper with a deep stretch lead. Showgirl on the outside with a late bid. Falls just short. Holiday Shopper won it. Showgirl came from last to get second. Sweet Hedge third, 153-2.